Right everyone, Freedom Fighter here again with another US MRE review. This is a meal cold weather menu one, beef stroganoff with noodles, and this ration was designed for cold weather operations. It's higher calorie, built a bit more ruggedly, and yeah, it's just a higher calorie just for the colder weather, burning more calories. It's slightly lighter weight, obviously, so it's slightly less burden when you're carrying a few of these. And yeah, let's just see what it's like. These have a dehydrated, freeze-dried main, which is a lot more frost resistant, and so-called they're meant to taste a bit better. So let's see what these are about. Right, let's take a look at this, what's inside. Menu 1, MCW. These were intended to be issued 3 per day, each containing around 1540 to 1600 calories. Yeah, 50 grams of protein roughly, 58 grams of fat, 220 grams of carbs, helping fuel intense activity in frozen climates. Right, so let's get into this. Give that a nibble open. Right, so let's slice that open. See what's inside. First out is, it's jammed in, peanut butter dessert bar, 40 grams, 240 calories, which is quite a lot in such a small dessert bar. Cheddar cheese pretzels, I've never had these before, that's 240 calories. Yeah, that sound alright. By the way, this ration was packed on the 25th day of 2024, which is there, you can see. Chocolate protein drink powder, 280 calories. It's got 14 grams of protein. Accessory packet. Every one of these I think has Tabasco sauce and coffee, unlike the normal MREs, which only I think half of them come with coffee. Yes, we'll take a look at that in a minute. Spoon. Orange flavoured fruit juice, no fruit juice. That sounds lovely, no fruit juice. Orange beverage based powder orange. And this is the main meal. Beef stroganoff with noodles. 27 grams of protein, 600 calories, which is quite a lot higher than your normal MREs, which normally have, I think, less than 300 in, because in cold weather you need a lot more calories to fuel yourself just to keep warm. And yeah, so that's it. Let's get everything sorted out and then we'll start preparing it to eat. Right, open the accessory packet. A little Tabasco sauce. What's that? Creamer non-dairy for coffee and tea, 4 grams. Bill's Brew coffee. I don't know why the USA ever took the old type of coffee out from the Vietnam era rations, because it was far superior to this, but at least you get a coffee, so that'll do. Toilet paper, moist towelette, sugar, and a box of matches. Right, let's get these drinks going. I'll start by saucing the coffee out. coffee. I like sugar in my coffee. Put that in. And I'll put the cream in as well. Easier to turn up, jumpers. Like that. Let's put the orange beverage base in as well. Move that to one side for a minute. Chocolate drink, protein. Try not to spill it. Smells nice, that chocolate. And yeah, we'll start getting some water. Because these mains tech, obviously, they need rehydrating because they're freeze dried. Yeah, they're a bit more expensive than a normal MRE, these, but they are very nice. And the main is the one I tried earlier than this, that you didn't record. It was lovely. So yeah, let's get some water and I'll start preparing all the stuff. Some water in that. Just eyeball it. I think this glass takes 500, so. Open the spoon. You would, if you were out in the field with this ration, you'd probably need quite a bit more water than you would with a normal ration. Struggling to stir that now. Quite a lot of powder in that one. Just let that settle for a minute. A luminous orange American drink again. Lovely. Got a nice stir. That is not looking very good, well mixed. Oh, that's thick. I think I should have shaken that in the beverage bag. It'll do anyway. Right. Get the little whisk on this one. This is you're probably better leaving this one in the bag and giving it a good shake, because really you shouldn't be mixing it in the glass. You wouldn't do that if you was using it properly anyway. So that's mixing up a bit better now. Let's get some hot water. Your coffee going. Cheddar cheese pretzels. Oh, they look nice. Look at them. Yeah, I've never had them before. They look tasty. Peanut butter dessert bar. Oh yeah. I feel like 240 calories in something that size. It's amazing. Right, let's start by getting this started, because you have to do it. Open package at the turn, remove oxygen absorber. Carefully add 414 mils of boiling water. I normally just put 400 in. Stir and wait 5 minutes, so let's do that now. Oh yeah, that smells. Oh, it smells a bit cheesy, I don't know why, but in a good way, savoury. Smell the noodles. Smells lovely. Oxygen absorber, don't eat that. Ingredients: beef, rosemary extract, salt, cornstarch, high oleic sunflower oil, sour cream, skim milk, enzymes, non-fat dairy milk, onion, beef stock, sea salt, beef flavour, yeast extract, mushroom, brown sugar, cane sugar syrup, yeast extract, white pepper, lemon juice. Yeah, I can smell a bit of lemon in that as well, yeah. Garlic, yeah, you can smell the garlic. Semolina, whole egg and salt. Right, let's get this warming up. While I do that, I'll have a little taste of the coffee, which I've not stirred. Oh yeah, it's good coffee, not bad at all. Light roast, sweet, creamy, lovely. Go down a treat if you was freezing your knackers off in the Arctic. Go down a treat, right? 400 mils of boiling water. Whack that in. A piece of tissue for my spoon. Give it a little mix up. See that in there? Right, we've got to give this 5 minutes now. And just let that rehydrate. Squeeze all the air out you can. Close the zipper. Let it stand for 5. While we do that. Oh yeah. Salsa, cheesy, nice and savoury. It's one of the nicest snacks I've had out of a ration, full stop. Very nice. Tabasco, my favourite hot sauce anyway, so I'll definitely be using some of that. Give this another stir. Right, and we'll let that main do its thing. Right, while that's just doing its thing now, a little bite of this peanut butter dessert bar. Smells very sweet. Yeah, smells very nice. Chunks of peanuts in it. Peanut butter. Oh, that's nice. It's nicer than the banana nut one. That's my favourite one so far. Another one of them. A sip of coffee. Cheers. I don't think I've tasted the orange yet. The way to go with these drinks is, that's why they give you a bag to mix, because they're very hard to mix in a glass. Yeah, it's just a basic artificial orange. It's nice, it does the job. And this chocolate one's a disaster in a glass. It's very rich. It's not too sweet. It's quite a lot of cocoa in there. It's not just fake, it's actually a nice cocoa blend. So yeah, and this main should be done now. Look at that. Very good looking there, and all them noodles. Chunks of beef. It's like a cream stroganoff sauce. A little taste. That needs a little bit longer, that. The beef's still rehydrating, so we'll come back to that one. Right, let's get into this now. It should be definitely ready. Oh yeah, it's thick enough, a lot, that. Look at that. Nice thick creamy sauce. Chunks of beef and thick flat noodles. Beef's a little bit chewy, but it's a good high quality meal. And also you don't get salt with these MREs. I think the purpose is to stop dehydration. Drink of that. I'm going to keep hold of this little bottle of Tabasco. I don't want to open it. So I'm going to put a bit of my own in. That's what it needs, just to imagine in ice cold conditions. Bit of hot sauce, get the heat going and keep you warm. Go along a nice treat, huh? Yep. No artificial flavours, no artificial colours, which is pretty rare for an American dish. Oh yeah, that Tabasco just lifts it and brings everything together, that's nice. Creamy, hearty and delicious. I'm definitely going to finish the rest of that. Couple more of these. So yeah, that's it basically. That is the meal cold weather. Menu 1, beef stroganoff with noodles, packed 2024, the 25th day. And like, comment, subscribe, because I've got more rations coming to do. More vintage Vietnam War era rations, which I've managed to get hold of in the UK, which is quite rare. So yeah, just keep an eye out and I'll be back with you soon. See ya. So let's come back on set. Yeah, I have it all empty, drunk the drink. I'm going to save them and eat them in over the next few minutes, half hour, just make a cup of tea or something with them, and the rest of the dessert bar. But yeah, this meal is absolutely a lot bigger than the normal MREs. I am absolutely stuffed. So yeah, there's a lot more calories, so keep your eyes out for the next one.